OpusClip converts one long-form video into multiple shorts and publishes them to multiple media sites in just one click. This enables you to reach a wider audience from the Shorts feed without doing any extra work and getting thousands of extra views for your channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn the benefits of OpusClip, how it works, and how to use it to get thousands more views for your channel. Let me show you how OpusClip works just using the free version. Later, I'll show you what you get with the Opus Pro version. I'm going to select this 8-minute long-form video and convert it into multiple shorts using OpusClip. Link is in the description. Copy the link from your long-form video, paste your URL in the box where it says drop a YouTube link. Click Get Clips in one click. It says get better results for free with our newest model. Click Try it free and create a new project. It says your first project is currently processing. You receive an email within a few minutes that your clips are ready. Click on View Clips, and here are the 8 clips that OpusClip converted from my 8-minute long-form video. It creates a title, gives you the transcript, and even provides captions on top of the video. Let's play the video. If you want to know how I make money on YouTube with less effort, watch this video on the screen right now for 10 ways I do less and make more. Just repeat this process to make multiple clips from your long-form video. You can then repurpose this content by sharing it on other social media sites and expose your content to a wider audience. So it's created a 21-second short from a long-form video that includes a title, the transcript, and even captions. So I can publish it on social, export XML, download HD, and if I upgrade to the Pro plan, I can edit the clip, add an AI voiceover, add B-roll. The OpusClip watermark will also be removed. It looks good as it is, so I don't have to edit anything. I can just download it and use it. I'll do the same for all the other clips. Hey Herman, can you show us how to make a better Shorts video using the Pro version? Absolutely. Here are the advanced features of the Pro version. Here are all the features you get in the starter package, and here are all the features you get in the Pro package. I'm going to go with the Pro package because you get 300 credits per month, AI B-roll, the watermark is removed, social media scheduler, and I can edit my clips. I just upgraded to the Pro plan. Let's see the changes. So I can publish on social, export XML, download HD, edit the clip, add AI voiceover, add B-roll, retitle it. Let's take a closer look at each feature. Click Publish on Social, so I can publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. If I click Skip, I can even select the social accounts that I'd like to post from. I can even schedule the posts for these social media accounts. So I can add text, heading, body text. I can add transitions, add a voiceover, and I can choose many different speaker voices, Adam, Alice, Arnold, Brian. I can also import by drag and drop files in the box here. So I can add images and videos. On the right, I can do a modified template, save as new template, clip layout settings, do different captions, static overlays, AI emojis, auto transitions. I can also edit my video by just moving this slider, and then I can click split, delete, clean, or add auto B-roll. This means I can adjust the length of my video clip. I'm happy with my Shorts video created by OpusClip, so now I'm going to download it without the watermark. Let's look at 3 success stories of popular creators using OpusClip. Ecamm Live uses Shorts created by OpusClip to send more traffic to long-form videos. Chili Pepper uses OpusClip to speed up Chili Pepper's clip selection and creation process. AI creator Samson uses OpusClip to increase his output and productivity. Comment below how you will use OpusClip. I'd love to read your comments. Here are some of the best ways to use OpusClip. Find a specific moment. Use prompts to find a scene, action, character, event, emotional moment, social worthy topic, and more. You can create viral short form or medium length clips into viral clips. Turn long form videos into shorts or mid form clips. You can create short form or medium length clips for up to 15 minutes. Here are all the different length clips you can create. For example, I was able to create 7 shorts clips from one 8-minute long form video. It's a great way to repurpose your long form videos without much extra work. For example, you can repurpose live streams, podcasts, and other long form videos. You can even create an entire Shorts channel with your repurposed video clips. How many clips can you get from one long form video? 0 to 3 minutes, 1 to 3 clips, 3 to 10 minutes, 7 to 12 clips, 10 to 30 minutes, 10 to 18 clips, 30 to 60 minutes, 16 to 25 clips, 60 to 120 minutes or 2 hours, 25 to 38 clips, and over 120 minutes, 35 to 45 clips. All the clips can be created within a few seconds with one click using the AI software. Get a virality score on your shorts video. The virality score is OpusClip's AI feature that indicates how likely a particular clip or content will go viral on social media platforms. Just keep in mind it's an AI-generated prediction and not a guarantee of viral success. Compile a highlight reel. OpusClip seamlessly stitches together scenes from different parts of the video to highlight a specific theme. Clip non-talking videos. OpusClip uses visual, audio, and sentiment analysis to make it possible to clip videos with little to no dialogue. Create a teaser. Create an engaging teaser to direct more traffic to your original video. When you upload your short to YouTube, use the related links feature to link to your long-form video. Reframe videos to other formats. Use the AI reframe feature to seamlessly turn your videos to 9:16, 1:1, or cinematic 16:9. You can then schedule them to post to your social media sites, so you save a lot of time. Translate your subtitles into different languages so people from different countries can read the captions in their own language. You'll also be able to edit your video by moving the clips around on the timeline. Here's my recommendation. Try the free version of OpusClip first to see how it works. Upgrade to the Pro plan so you can get the watermark removed and use all the advanced features such as editing your video clips. Click the link in the description to get 30% off the first month of any Pro plan. You'll be glad you did.